Your daily reminder for today is to blurt out your ideas. Write them down on a piece of paper. Hold yourself accountable. Because if you don't do that and you hold back, see what doesn't happen. See what doesn't come to fruition. See all of the things that you want not come into your life. Because in order for things to come into your life, in order for things to come to you, you need to tell the universe what those things are. You need to set intention behind these things. If you have an idea and it's just an idea and you don't put any energy towards that idea, it's not going to happen, babe. It's just not going to happen. And you need to put energy towards things that you want, things that you need, things that are a part of your purpose. Setting that intention, saying it out loud, allows the universe to hear you and say, oh, okay, that's what they're talking about. That's what they mean by that. Because if you don't tell the universe, if you don't set intention, if you don't even write it down, writing it down is cementing it. An idea is just an idea unless you make it something materialized. You have to bring it into the material world. That's where I'm going with this. You need to put energy towards your goals, your ideas, the passions that you have, because who else is going to do it? No one. No one else is going to do it. You need to do it. And if you don't, who will? You're going to miss out on a lot of opportunities if you don't put your energy where you want it. If you are wasting your energy in a certain situation over and over and over and over and over again, honey, break that cycle. It is time to do so. The amount of abundance that is in this world right now, the amount of heightened frequencies that we are receiving from the universe in order to make these changes, to heal, to vibe at a higher frequency, this is the time. This is it. This is it. So you need to analyze and see what you want to focus your energy on, who you want to focus your energy on, what you need to focus your energy on. Because where you put your energy is the most important thing that you could ever do for your life, your purpose, and your goals. Energy is everything. If you put out a positive energy, you will receive a positive outcome. If you put out negative energy, the universe is going to be like, look, there's the negative outcome, because that's the energy. They don't know energy. Like, the universe doesn't know words. That's why so many people say actions speak louder than words. Actions do speak louder than words because action means energy. Hello, welcome to the world. You need to put the energy in order to get that same energy out. And that is the message. That is the reminder for today. Step into that power. Step into that energy. We all have it. It is available to literally every single one of us. But are you ready? Are you ready to make that change? Are you ready to stop putting energy into things that really just don't matter to you? Put energy into things that matter. I am CG. I'm from the Galactic Soul. Thank you so much for being here today for the daily reminder. If this is something that you love, definitely give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe and follow the journey. I am loving all of you and your comments, so definitely keep those coming. I am sending you so much love and light, and remember to always be yourself.